The United States, with its vast healthcare system, offers a world of opportunity for skilled nurses. For Canadians, the TN visa provides a streamlined pathway to pursue these opportunities. This special visa category, created under the North American Free Trade Agreement or NAFTA, allows qualified Canadian professionals, including nurses, to work in the U.S. in pre-arranged roles. The TN visa is particularly appealing due to its relative simplicity and speed compared to other U.S. work visa categories. This guide will provide a comprehensive overview of the TN visa process for Canadian nurses, outlining the eligibility criteria, application process, benefits, and challenges. It will also equip you with practical tips to ensure a smooth transition into your new life and career as a nurse in the USA. Whether you're drawn by the prospect of higher salaries, diverse career paths, or the chance to experience a new culture, the TN visa could be your key to unlocking a rewarding chapter in your nursing career. Let's explore the details and help you determine if this is the right path for you. Before embarking on the TN visa application journey, it's crucial to ensure you meet the necessary eligibility criteria. These requirements are designed to confirm your professional standing as a nurse and your preparedness to contribute to the U.S. healthcare workforce. Firstly, you must be a citizen of Canada. Permanent residents of Canada are not eligible for the TN visa. Secondly, you must possess a valid job offer from a U.S. healthcare facility. This offer letter needs to be detailed, outlining your job title, responsibilities, salary, and employment conditions. Thirdly, your nursing qualifications must be equivalent to those required for registered nurses in the United States. This typically involves having a Bachelor of Science in Nursing degree, or a comparable qualification recognized by U.S. nursing authorities. You'll also need to meet any specific licensing requirements of the state where you intend to work. The TN visa application process is relatively straightforward, but it's essential to follow each step diligently to avoid delays or complications. Here's a breakdown of the typical process. 1. Secure a job offer. Your first step is to find a U.S. healthcare employer willing to sponsor your TN visa. Networking, online job boards, and specialized healthcare recruitment agencies can be valuable resources in your job search. 2. Gather required documentation. Once you have a job offer, compile all necessary documents, including your passport, nursing credentials, educational transcripts, and the detailed job offer letter from your U.S. employer. Bring all your documents to the nearest port of entry of the U.S. state, where you will apply for your TN visa 10 days before your start date of your work. During the interview, the immigration officer will assess your eligibility and the legitimacy of your job offer. Answer only the questions asked. Working as a nurse in the USA under a TN visa offers numerous benefits, making it an attractive proposition for many Canadians. One of the most significant advantages is the potential for higher salaries compared to Canada. The earning potential for nurses in the U.S. can be substantially greater, especially in specialized fields and locations with high demand. Beyond financial gains, the U.S. healthcare system offers diverse career paths and opportunities for professional growth. You can explore specializations, pursue advanced nursing degrees, or take on leadership roles, broadening your skills and enhancing your career trajectory. Moreover, working in the U.S. exposes you to a new culture, different healthcare practices, and a broader patient population. This enriching experience can broaden your perspective, enhance your adaptability, and make you a more well-rounded healthcare professional. Section 5. Overcoming the hurdles, challenges, and solutions. While the TN visa offers a relatively smooth pathway to working in the U.S., it's essential to be aware of potential challenges and have strategies in place to overcome them. One common hurdle is navigating the U.S. healthcare system, which can differ significantly from Canada's. Familiarizing yourself with U.S. healthcare regulations, insurance procedures, and medical terminology is crucial for a seamless transition. Another challenge is adapting to a new work environment and potentially different nursing practices. Be open to learning, embrace the opportunity to collaborate with colleagues, and seek guidance from experienced nurses to bridge any knowledge gaps. Additionally, being away from family and friends in a new country can be socially and emotionally challenging. Stay connected with loved ones back home, build a support network in your new city, and engage in activities you enjoy to combat feelings of isolation. Section 6. Settling in. Practical tips for a smooth transition. Making a move to a new country requires careful planning and preparation. Here are some practical tips to ensure a smooth transition into your new life and work as a nurse in the USA. First, secure housing. Research neighborhoods in your new city, and secure suitable accommodation before your arrival. Consider factors like proximity to work, safety, and access to amenities. Next, open a U.S. bank account. Having a local bank account will make managing finances easier. Contact banks in your new city to understand the account opening process for non-residents. Also, familiarize yourself with transportation. Explore public transportation options in your new city, or obtain a U.S. driver's license if necessary. Understanding the local transportation system will make commuting and exploring your surroundings easier. Lastly, embrace cultural differences. Be open to experiencing a new culture, trying new foods, and learning about local customs. This will enrich your experience and help you integrate into your new community. Section 7. Navigating the licensing labyrinth. Each U.S. state has its own nursing licensing board that sets the requirements for registered nurses. Obtaining the correct license for your state is crucial for legally practicing as a nurse. Begin the licensing process early, as it can take several months. Contact the nursing board in the state where you intend to work to request an application packet and familiarize yourself with their specific requirements. Typically, you'll need to submit your educational transcripts, proof of your Canadian nursing license, and pass the NCLEX RN examination, which is the national licensing exam for registered nurses in the U.S. Section 8. Finding your footing. Job search strategies. While you'll likely have a job offer before applying for your TN visa, it's beneficial to continue exploring job opportunities and expanding your professional network. Networking is crucial in the U.S. job market. Attend industry events, connect with other nurses online and offline, and reach out to healthcare recruiters specializing in placing international nurses. Online job boards, professional networking platforms like LinkedIn, and the websites of major hospitals and healthcare organizations are excellent resources for finding nursing vacancies. Section 9. Take the leap. Your U.S. nursing adventure awaits. Embarking on a new career adventure in a new country is a significant decision, but for many Canadian nurses, it's a rewarding one. The TN visa provides a streamlined pathway to access the vast opportunities available in the U.S. healthcare system. By carefully following the application process, meeting the eligibility criteria, and planning for a smooth transition, you can turn your dream of working as a nurse in the USA into a reality. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop learning and growing as you embark on this exciting chapter in your nursing career.